Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwancho mwirigereria bwa Nsoko TV, karibu sana naenda sensemiga ya kabiri nkwane ya beno botukobware rabana nachika okumanya tugwata bageni babere ase studio ase botukobware turachiko sangana kumulekera sobo ime oborai bwa basae na boigo ekerengereri kyabo kero ogokwandira oborai bori bwa siasa nagati ya magendro ande ayaganete chinguru cha basae na bogekerenga kyabo gyokoriga gwesoya ase siasa kero ensi ya Kenya egendete kwiroberia busio bwo bochorio bonene omwaka ogocha ase studio soko bokwane gokorio ntore nere Hezekia Harasa musae oreneganga yogocha korie kergo kyo jumbe nsemo ye bunge ya West Mugirango na boiga soko bokwae okorio ntore nere mheshimiwa Afaxada Bincha oreneganga yokorie kergo kyo MCA ewodi ya Matuta constituency nkorengi bado ni ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira. Karibu sana sechi studio nturara na segeka nkorengi happy new year Nsoko TV asentu ntangani tikato chake na Hezekia na bokwira bagari tangani asoko masoko dio mogusino mwancho murigeria ekero tokuigorere nkwana ito botukubwara.
Okay. Thank you so much Moralia. Ande tigangireri bageri yo kwani mogusio binto mwenzi esimwabeta abali ime ya Kenya na abali isko ya Kenya. Selibo ali abana marongo bakwani mwenzi mbiyemole. Yo kwana nomujumbe kuliye kerokyo bojumbe kya West Mugirango kwa honorable Hezekia Gendia Rasa. Ndio muiburu wa Nyamira County ngera ali Osiango wodi ya Nembo Gichora. Ole ano notora kwana la mangana yo sai na kuligereri chishida jira se county yetu.
Na soro mheshimiwa ngakikwa baire matukara chire na mukwane mugusi
amatuka asukire. It's happy new year. Tutainya sayambi yamono so tuikie kerengeke and we hope the year goes well. Sabantu bantu baminto bakawatch TV ya Nsoko mtandao na bali bande be TV taitemba kwani. Welcome to this new year. Samari tangoro kwa Bincha Faxad Manono nka Nyamira County West Mugirango kwenye Matuta ward. Nairobi nchino monto real estate kwa nyomba management and valuations.
Karibu sana. Wana tikatoso ase enkwane ito chake na ayo tutararua suwede kero to kwandra hengane iga ya kirengerero kyabasa kero kurigeria uburai bogendrete ase boniga tuachage tengane iga negendrete na bogo kero turange wikaso bachori abasa ngaki bagendrete wesoki sofa.
So far, Abasai, the card of even Gen Z is the biggest fear of even the leaders. Nowadays, we call it card from a tribal pattern. We call it card Homosai. So the Homosai plays a vital role, especially in the coming elections, and it shows that Homosai from the Gen Z protests and all that. Ya rogetim no Homosai umanyirenkia wente wakora. Erewe kana wagwetenenera. Even 2027 trust you me abasa bange mbaje basoye bunge different counties basoye chi assembly chi county and also even the national assembly to a very big number yabasai una riki ko kerawocha wa discuss politics chi Kenya ntobwate 42 tribes boniga bali ba wakachikura bona I guess boni ntobwate 43 yere yabasai kera baza into to waka unilaterally torigo waka nga yokoro you vote on based on what on your merit una buyebo masai
yatocha soreze kari metengo jatore to sanga mange igoro yebirangere bino na bige manifesto inaso gochikoriga obura yoboiga batkero go kwandra obura yobo basaya badene kerenga kyo gwesoya asoburai ngeke bakorete kiya
sai ekero koligereri ekero reflect amangana yo jia sawa sai na kulingana na oyo muntu bunaerese the H wani gere nyingine yabasai nabasai bayasokire sengencho bayibure mbabwate chinguru ne chinguru eji ibategete kokonya abantu baitu bategete ko save abantu baitu so that basebwe bintu biri byabere biko tume kubobe na biri byabere biko gachwa so that bira into the normal state sengencho ekero kuligere umusaya ekero kuligere at this age ekero kuro umusaya imukira okorege ento so nabwate a vision so vision yae tatake irigo teneniwa yategete asuku mumotwe so that yale tamagenda ona una beso kiriga so mbabwata magana gete aramaya aiba gochikorete right ni future y'abantu bonse asi
tutararwa sore na ndura take kuboria bona kero kwanda bara bega abasae qualities ki babante gutwara gose chimbo kiasengencho okay abasae ba soira soborai what can make a good leader apart from umuntu ko bomosae
ekero utigete ko bomosae utigete ko be good leader so lazima jimbu njiro takeire gutwara lazima umuntu bwate humility umuntu le patient umuntu bwate kindness no muntu le trusted anene mono lazima oroki your commitment uchiasa abantu bandi make you committed yourself nande kero tegete ko umuntu muya igo guchakira crusade chimbo chino echigo chakira discipline yage kworoki ego reflect kurwese background yao naki abantu basi no bakwana naki abantu basi no bakomai to gosoka iga usubwe biseta asegete na nasokire iga nande pengine abantu bakomaita no mungwano ori tabia hetelingia uri ari kibago uri ari ari igana so discipline yo musaige guchakira kurunze kuruno bwana bwa yakinete arimo kuma no muntu oyo unachakirega nakonya abantu embu yaye igerega uno konyora muntu nturi kubwekana abantu bonse kiro muntu nabwate tabia yaye stay mbwate tabia ne no ndenera bwate tabia yaye bono njiri kubwekana so that's why tokota a good leader lazima twale amasikani oja sawa abantu bandi yeah
kero toko cha sore mheshimiwa Afaxad na kero commentary maybe na kukwandra embu ingie yo mura yabwante gutwara umusae miroberiki boigo bosencheraki abasae babwente ko ba engaged ne uburai utolipo totebe boro na boigo bolipo tagete kurwororo irinda abasae bate cover. What is the best way to engage the youths?
The best way yoko wa involve umusai is by allowing the ideas to be listened to, giving them a chance to lead, and also kuba involved in whichever decisions that the government or anybody that is in power should give them the chance to be heard and also be given the chance their ideas to come to light. If almost I ever involved is the best thing to anything, because with new ideas means even the old ones can be incorporated with the new ones. And when they are incorporated, it means something is going to be better. They just need a small thing to be listened to. And don't despise us. Oh, there is nothing you can do, and then you see, it shows that if given a chance, there are people that are going to change this nation. So the only thing that should be taken into consideration, a chance, part of the solution to the table. Yes.
Tutara so na nare bono to so okumurikira uburai tutebense ya Kenya. Kero kwandra abasabega abate bekenga nabo abange so far ngaki ba very of impact aso kwegendre wense ya Kenya apart from ukuganyerera pochore bona 27 bachor baso sobrai have they impacted the process yokwegendre wense ya Kenya na wiga maro? Yes.
There is a GDP ya Kenya. It's formed from agriculture, these sectors, and then the other part is very crucial to the provision of the GDP in Kenya, and the service provision. Service provision is salon, evaluations, exchange. This service that we have at the nation was to the people that are around us. Umasai has come up with the idea here, internet. You see, that is service provision. Yeah, that is entertainment. That is a service cover provided the nation. So through this, the government taxes the young people, right? When they are taxed, these are GDP na weko kurukorwa taxation ye yachikoros chipara taxation ye yalipa inaenda inatengeneza schools. It does that. So the Mosai, by working Mosai through engagement in various activities in the nation, Mosai ngo is doing something towards the GDP. And the GDP ya Kenya very better, it means the nation is going to grow. If given an opportunity to work better with these workforce, if they are given a chance, it means the GDP of Kenya, through the service provision, we say there are some engaged in agriculture, which is the biggest in Kenya, but service provision, is creative, is when combined all these hotel, the service provision is one of the biggest earners of the GDP of Kenya. Igomo sayaweza kuba enabled. It shows that the GDP of Kenya is going to grow. And when it grows, it means the nation, in the other hand, also grows. So Omosai is taking part. Kerabasai, they are all over. Omosai is somebody who engages between below 35 years and below. They are teachers, they are everywhere. They're in the service industry, they're everywhere, even in agriculture. So Omosai is contributing. It's only that the chances may be minimal. But if the government focuses, these chances, it means the GDP of the country is going to grow. And when the GDP is good, it means even our currency will be in a better position to against the dollar. So it gives almost the only thing they need is just the chance. Yes.
Tiatoja sore arasana turegwa ekerengeri kiago anda konyo ko bwaten kwane komentara aya faksa dia tepire kero ogokwandira challenges efasabe bagwetera to reach amangana oyo mina kwandire gabo abego koriye gweso ya sobora nimete nona ekero gweso kire abasaye bange beso kire naro gotebunga ya turaisana challenges kichigwetera nande as a leader bono kwerure go chibaso ya sobora yobega. How best can you handle challenges each?
Ono je gente que tanga te challenges each stage jira be handled noko bali baga moiwe birengero bya ngyo monta abata kwa. The first thing igo kuligere yekero ku reflect ya zebinyora ibinge mono ebago jabaligere na the way you osomete ba kumana na ki that lazima irotwale knowledge omago chaka kuongoza abantu still obura imboro nyasaya gutumira kuchia kucha agotumira kwanyona nayo urege nini kireres ani oro muongozo we family yeyo kwarode bono the way tura overcome amanganaya nuko ena naliba gali nene tutige kuligereria obore ubwo muntu nakiabwata kura omuntu time aleresa nakiarengerereti so that alia sokoro omuntu yese igenda kwana ngosaliale no komorekebisha instead yoko muembaras yani olia yo da konyara no kura mwe time nandi te ko reflect na familia lina ya familia nembe familia liegere nsemono no pura nduri kuligere lina nkai omuntu akoru nke ngoro liyo gochiko konyo omuntu aika omuntu i chances na abasayi bali babwate enie yo gukora egasi yo korera abantu baite egasi tiga berwe mba kumoyo esengenjo we want to break the circle of poverty esengenjo poverty nero yagerire binte binge byakorereke byiranire lakini tuise kuimoka igamuna tuimokete gena mbenene naboto ko break this circles of poverty and to make a good change eyira konyekera omuntu so that the next generation iko kinaboniga ige ko reflect ne generation iri atangane teri tangane esengenje kero to tangania banda na aba banene kero to baveka boziali ebago chibatweba so when it comes ne time yabasai young youths njike ndukyo ngo support na ki mo kumoyo onyo kubwata your vision just wake up wake up swagati aerwa nerere to masa ko kumoyo
tura sore bado una kwerere biego tomanyango ngori yore kergo kyo jumbe nseme bunge West Mugirango
exactly
ekerengeri kinga ki yachete baka okeirwa ngabono tiko eso yase ukori ubura yoboiga andake mbari bagoteba nganje na currency na 1 2 3 na currency na bagaka na currency ne family banteri ngaya terena ayeki abonga kigejite baka okamu abono ngotere nori kergo kyo jumbe.
Okay, it's a good question. Ura iwana kerongo reflect kurmega. Ura iwana tali bona na chaka. Buna na ura boke go tena na igento ketende tawakora. Ura iwana kerongo bwati ma history. Igombo jakirite kerondo moke. Keronja in the school na etu over monitor. Umedega si over monitor you judge na yo le governor za bono na yo goja na yo kogambira banda bonse. Ngaruo ara kolire mangana disciplinary ara college seminar so ngabane nigento kete gikonya ku challenge ngabo bono nkanya konara kukonya kokwana konya kwasemia abantu bono yaikire na ikire stage gete ngo reflect ninga na ki lakini nyasaye ngete na ngete ke power gete ndakere ugetumeka yo kuongoza abantu so ekero na ikaranste njibieka nubura yeba tumaite bwo guchakira kurunga iko na iraneteka kabataiga kina inchi na igure nimbwate chinguru cyo kora igana nindagete gokonya abantu baitu ba West Mugirango na kimuroche igona asali akambolie sengenju kwa amwire nande kwa tebire nolire chinkuru tundu okana intuto kwa mahoko kana ikaransta na bantu be family bangweri kamete nande banjira nete na mangana na baireste bakande ibone ngendo gukora esoki keti iringa chaka gukora kikwani chisera
ngoja turotumanye henga kikwiro biri ko rukinga kecho gwikira bone konje tugaturacha abincha naye turamanya nga kiase ngenjo twasangite twasangire ntunde tare ya metari pere mara mange sana watere kerengeri kya gonkero tiramanya gwikira bone ga bade kerengeri kyonkero ro na kiesa bari agendro te bado ngote nora yake kergo kya UMC onyamatuta.
Before I answer your question, kindly allow me to differ with my brother in terms of education. SME ne yengenjo mono. And I want to say this. I have no issue with somebody who touches school or say anything.
Yeah.
But the current leadership, what the problems Gen Z is because of education. We are empowered. That is why we can challenge abantu who are in power. You see? Because we are exposed, not only does education give you the education itself, it gives you the exposure. It gives you the interaction. That is how you make connections. So there is no way you are going to tell me, a graduate from the university, Technical University of Kenya, I go vote in somebody, a drop out your class 8. I have no issue with somebody. Maybe there was lack of school fees. You see? That can be a situation that can be understood. Okay? But let us, how is this somebody going to think outside the box in terms of policies? You see? These are the same people which cause these policies. So let us give people that are empowered. You see? That is why we had a problem. Kero William, I go elect some, not elect, but choose some leaders in the cabinet. You see, when you are going to a situation to monitor something, you should have some prior information about that thing or a general idea. You see, for me today, I can be a minister for lands in Kenya because I know something about land, how it is done in this nation. Ministry of Lands, I can run it well. But if you're going in a Ministry of Roads, it means you're taking a quack there. You see? So exposure is very important. And I want to tell all the people outside there, that is the only, about the education is the equalizer. So kindly, let us also vote in Abantu Basawamet. I have no issue in Abantu Bataraswam. Maybe they had 1, 2, 3 challenges. That is why Togo vote in people who are learned, they know the importance of education. You see? Pachiko konya banto, erinde, bainde school. Back to the question. Eganga yo UMC Onyamatuta Nero. It has never died. It was just a dream ya better postpone. Lakini ndende 2027 tuko kwa race. Na to my opponents, to my competitors, I welcome you. Lakini mwango baba ngaini kwa sababu janja. Chibesa chimu campaign ili chibeke muko kere kero kine kiana.
Turasore na ndembya kwa telinga eganganero ro. Tigatura kwa ngane yiga ya berege ko kwanu aso obonge. The only way tebekandre abasaye bako hold the leadership we have accountable abange baterenga abasaye no kwandamana tu na waswe mitandao to write to the vulgar statements of how best abasaye baranyara ko bako hold leaders baro accountable apart from which bako tebanga ni okwandamana na ko tarnish the wrong way you approach it and the names like the best way abasaye bara hold leaders baro accountable.
Okwandamana is our constitutional right and it's not going to stop anytime soon. Yeah. So walipa bugete na atie kwandamana ngo yarakole. I want to tell them to get their staff ready, wabeke tear gas ready, tell their policemen to be ready. And we are coming. That is one of the ways we can keep these people in check. The other way is going to debate with these people. The count holds. That is a way of keeping these people in touch. And also, when talk about very important, especially recalling these leaders. Omondo entari okaragasi tiago kwenye 5 years na atiuche komo is 5 years we can collect signatures we recall these people especially omobunge they can be recalled we don't want to wait for 5 years onye tuarro mondo entari okaragasi let us recall these people and also I want to encourage the government should not interfere with such a processes because if somebody is not working as kitoko mara 5 years you see there is even impeachment if the MCS feel that the governor is not working they are youth MCS, so they have taken part in the impeachment process in this nation. So you have seen even the deputy president was impeached. Aseki kiaraba saimbari barenge bunge tali they also took part and parcel yoko impeach this deputy president. So it's not only maandamano. Our representatives, they also partake in the impeachment process. That is a way of checking these people, putting these people into check. Because there are many ways, but eye more effective kwa sababu ntabao chabaibu na maandamano. Na ando nyege ndoge koregas. Asiki wo chenjere go cheke nga onyege koregas. Yote atora na maandamano it keeps them in check. Yo mai toke rumo ndago release ndani unampea.
Tetoja sura rasa kero komentra maybe enkwane mo sebira sa yo mina kwandre na re urata ke komanyanga opera iboro rasa boniga kero kolgeria to kwande kuro serikali county guke serikali nene imirobiro nere yabe kirworo yogo konya umusae koegendere mbare bataire nga asla fandi achete abasaye mbaye tumegetibu ya kenegendrete nyota fandi achire abasaye mbagendrete konyora nimirobiro yende menge. Do you think opera iboro bwabo bwa rural initiative chiko konya abasaye koegendere
sai obora iboro wasai oiso ko ligereri ekera sora fandi yajete in a few days abandu mbanyorete abandi mbanyorete sai tuolete iwe project inde kurunyota nyota abandi mbaro konyora kuzimba liwose bachorira ali within nesa ko yerabu nabo bakonyora konyora kuzo numusayo ule sika utaigetia somo kutano uri aguchikumate na mbei konyora kende ngakora teki ngi it means even to go tell kusai mbiyo. These are fake promises, these are fake projects bakuru out.
Mbaro maita basaye bagoteri banyorre inyote abo maita in person maybe
aba na boli bagonde imbaranyora abandi mbaro konyora barali ba promise ni naki inu ganga ino ikali mogo tioteliriga and then mokoraki ngonyora mulengeri ene and the rate konyora banda mbali konyora kende ono kero kulige none county yeito ibintu biro byale kokonya abasaye ono konyora kusina sekete tubwate kusine function yabasaye tutegete kwanda ali Nyamira konyora ndubwate none hall to host astora bege nono mukutano anene nona magendero koligireri ntuira netenze sana esengenje yake no street rights ndubwate esengenje yake bono development yeralite iyo igo konyora nono musaya tegete ko kolegasi Nyamira mabagata iyo abagambi tobwate igo bagenda tokonya gutungaina eke kiabereke etotete okoreke finally gento giye okorekana kwanyora abantu ababuka borobu bakwe benefit borobuka abanyene bali geti abuka kwanyora umuntu agoje kungaina kitu tosoye gochia sengombe gokamo we bana ebintu byabere korumega nero uri batotena kitari ga mutakeiro kobera bonero nyori denjira akoragera bona ategete bato convince bono anyendiri twale kubwa abantu bale gwancha bali reflect kurumega mangana abiri ga okorekana na yankuru 2013 kurumega kero to reflect kurumega aligereri na kia magendera achagete ntwache kero I remember ekero nyagara malenge geti maremu na tubekirite street rights ejinji ara minyogeta sana lakini saa hii akara chikorwo mundu tu ahetwe tachi etiko koro no ekende tabegete no street rights squeeze rero no Nyamira ogosinyugotara wosti mundu dana ki ali nseito esengenje yake tu atikende ge korora kano bono taswa ukonyora basaya bange pakuro mo esengenje yake kintu nkiyo pakonyora kiamana kusikira abakonye mambi.
Those as you add initiatives maybe on your children reach serikali ya bekire cyo konya basaye koegendri ya kuru ase ward ya basaye mbere bagwakere simbathe nga basiru maybe na muroberio masengenjo basadari bonsi baraso asubora irinde koegendri serikali has it done enough to support the youths?
Okay, I'll give the credit here. I'll say the initiative Yasla Fund and also Nyota. They are good initiatives. But how I wish this project were done not to benefit them politically, ama to give them political mileage. I wish they were done from the good heart. Yoko chiwonchiri abasaye ba Kenya. But the problem comes in not that umonta kwego 20,000. It can be a lot to some people. But for a standard business, how are you going to run this thing? A shop wakanera go say. raw materials okoreta a license wakana. You see there is a lot. How I wish I guess the target ilikuwa 100 how many millions the government was targeting. How I wish they could have narrowed it down. HM mpaka around 100,000 youths. These 100,000 youths, they can distribute it to each county. It's 47 in the nation. Can be very distributed equally. This money was around some billions. Covered disbursed these people. Ever concentrated these 100,000 youths. These 100,000 youths, basically can only want to we already at 300,000. These 300,000, they also empower others. It is more effective, more ROI, return on investment. It will be better, and even the GDP, your nation will be better. But as now, serikali endete with this Nyota and Hustler Fund something, una inje Hustler Fund limit ya 107. So what does 107 nginda kwa honestly. So like Njengo na nyango saba.
Limit yangu kine.
Na jite ngaligereri na yango saba, lakini lende it is what it is. Problem ya sabe, you see it can't help me. But if even as a nation, what we are doing right now, about 20,000, 25 and 50,000, we are going to create a menace in this nation. The country is going to get into more debt. Trust you me, with 20,000, most of them, 90% of them, they are not going to repay these taxes. These are money. Money, tax, it's our tax, right? We do borrowing. It means as a nation, we are going down as a tax. Correct. Ngoja waka na nande taxi. Sini mwananchi oyoromo sa etalipo. It means we are going to start the impact which I felt after 5 years, 10 years. Mosa ayo bado na ruka remoe. Haba kaka waliba mwete 20,000 ili ndaba kire chikura. Esengi njia Nyota na Hustler usangi ba achire ba regeti. Ngoja waka ne taxi emon. Dizo mosa. Ngoja kwera na street na anda chikura mosa ayo. So let us think outside the box. These programs are good, yes. But let us not do them for the popular opinion. Let us do something that is going to change this nation. If we have these youths at heart, and this goes to Mr. President, and whoever is in a position to give him this direction, kindly let us concentrate on a few numbers. You know, not each one of us will do businesses. Some of us, we can be under somebody. And the earlier we all accept that fact that not every one of us will get into business. Kuna wengine zinakata. We are better workers, not better business people. There are those who are better business people. Let us understand our situation. We can't empower everybody, but we can empower a few people by empowering other people. And that is how as a nation grows. That is how the GDP of this nation is going to grow. But at this rate, if you are grow in Kenya since 2022, because even since, let us take it way back even to 2013, so many businesses are running out of Nairobi or say Kenya, even industry area. Most of the companies are not there. They have gone to neighboring countries. Why? Because of our tax is even unpredictable. Kera next na August and June, tutobekire pollution tax. You see, our tax is not predictable. So as a nation, let us think outside the box, study popular opinions, or say popular votes. Let us think and help these young people. Let us give them opportunities. And the only way to give them opportunities, that is 20,000, that is just a handout. That is a allowance here, President. It's not even 20,000. When he sits for the cabinet, it's not 20,000. So let us be fair to these youths. Let us not give a mass. Let us give a specific number of youths. These youths, I am sure, they will definitely work on that cash, enable the other youths. That is the only way we are going to build this nation. If we build these youths, GDP attained, the nation is also going to grow. And even the tax will be better. Kero tax here very better. We can even pay our debts. And if we can our debts, the nation is growing.
Exactly.
Mwanjo murigeria tukana tegusanga enkwana obutuko bwa rero kumurekera kirengererio kibasae no burai bwabo na bigikanga yabo yokoriga gweso ya sobora yoboiga ase studio hamangana bagenda tegusanga na intugega turacha sore arasaba no turamanya kirabasaba iga barigeti gweso ya asoborai we kabaro ki interest na boy kabaro kinga we are able to do it.
Yeah.
So far so good. Abasaba ge baganyete baso asoborai bamanye goikirani na ku implement amarora igabo usembaga ndrete gokonya habara ibari barorote for example buna enkori gore kergo kyobo jumbe miroberi kikwa bekire gokonya ubura ibororo bwabono goikirania bose kubate yase bachire bamochire yase bakore kwende irinde kuba support now that correct interesting na wise go so bora yobu no koreko usaba sai baganyite bara so kwanza ebora yo maye gwikirania yaga ni
esengenjo sai tutege tutokorora ibintu bikoro kwa actions ebikorwa njia sabara ya baregeti njigintu giuka tura batebi girina kuba collect esiba basire instead yogo jabatonga ina 50 usemi tiabatuoro kiesi bakurusi chibeseji so that into mambi ndoko basumbua number 1 yokonyora ebawe chibato sera peba magendera ali twakoretheki twabachorerete anene asoko ba collect ye mistake tiaba tokorere bali according to promise chiri barwete like yokonyora umuntu athethana ki nje ngo chiko dinne para sendi dinne education sendi na bintu gete kwanyora bintu ebimbi koratiki mbio kore bintu ebyo bono ase abato wesokia basai bali tari na twike 2027 ali bonto gojaka okora this our time to show our actions so that aba tuligerereti ali baba na ki we are serious on these issues enjera kitora akore magendera ebintu mbiro to korora ora akore so that ono yolegetia ai pikere bie komanya esenge njogonyora sasingine ngonyora toro no na sebinyoro ndugwate shortage of water amaje konyora abolete nabo kokoraki nabo korosi nona asabantu bakonywa amaje sasingine nabo kobo muererio yani muererio bwango yani kuru cheke ntukete kia dray nyoka ali account koraki tema go shughulika at least okonya wanda like yokonyora gusena bali mibaito akonyora gose nechi paranto bwadi echayo molemi atolete in 3 days eparate esalikete rembe kwanyora gali ka kitambe go je kirerio molemi ya susani tewe tura kora abantu abanyo koroje njira nero tura tije likorieri agokoreta nona kamoro monyo kore capable usonye moro muguko yiseni nabo kubeka esengenjo yake so that uliuliketi arana ki ina ipu enene karongo cha okole gwegentu kinga munoyi ayo gago so serikali ingiara chigokora igara akora more than egento na akole so asama wasale tikatwa tebani na sata hiyo tikatwa tebani yake mai inerenje
tiro toja sore abincha aye gori kiro kyo BMC
yes.
Go bono busanga muri birenga ria so wikiranya magendo nari abananji bagotora trusting awo yogago chikoso kero geke na chikokora busina yoganye 2027 nari yogo cha implement sa amagendra
honestly njengo sa underground almost every fortnight na usanga no one day but my area MCA usina area gotire my toboga obogotuna orunge sange babatego ni akongi kunonda matanga gete gusina onde function gete ochibirukunyo tari otaka ngumera ke arenjengo mutaindeke mine but notwithstanding that nje buna MCA in waiting 2027 nje I do my work yoko correct this person como David this is what you have not done well that is the work of the opposition and ndaitente yabantu bonse bagusi bagote bana umura yawo chorwe myaka 5 oirana kera chikura chirande dali aragwe ko mogosu abantu mbali nabo bakubuli chikura nabo bakonde myaka 5 oirana kubuli after myaka 5 maito yokoro kiri chimbo none araga ko bwako and after 5 oirana after 5 igobona tiato beka abantu aba in check even those who want to run to these positions if they are not constantly ngaire babucha kumanyire mechano kwanye mbwa ni chiaba nero momonya tikanera abegusiyo manya what goes on and then another thing that I'm really doing working in conjunction no wakili na Tebeti wakili Lampert and wakili Elisha Ndemu we are working with these mental problems so my say with modernity comes modern problems depression kicks in most I squeeze my take into como teiga and renga mono depression yes so we are also working with some CBOs to also see we did one in December and we are planning more no mwako with the help of the two wakilis wakili Ndemu and wakili Lampert Kerio so those are some of the measures and then asaba kusibonse bali basemegete chai and this is my call to them My think I need to deal with figures. Ngani to kwenda na numbers. Inka, where I come from, the water around 2 acres of chai. Chai, it can bring income of 2,000 a month. Totebe monto konya kotora. Around 700 to 1,000. Utayana 1,000. When after 1 year, a bonus, if I check at 10 bob, when you're around 20,000. You go cumulative, you know what, 20,000 plus 1,000, it's into 2,000 a mwaka. Does it make sense? Come get a sense when you're 2,000 for 2 acres? Honestly, if you ask me, no, it doesn't make sense. Brings me to the point here what they haven't once pass me get chai usi togore chai you. Lakini think what you togore to be a solution. Think about Moraimuya. Togore chai you, making and take grafted avocados. With the grafted avocados, Simeka and Dangeri, I give you the market. Trust you me. Grafted avocados, in 1.5 years, they are ready to harvest. To the maximum of 2 years. You'll have lost, given our farm, 62,000 for 2 years. That's ready. But trust you me, within 6 months of harvesting those grafted avocados, utakumerudisha pesa yako. Even more with those 2 years which umepoteza. So this is my critical call to all farmers, especially Korugusi, the western part of the rift. So I want to call Nandin January and manifesto, and it was in my manifesto 2022. Clearly, but I didn't tell them because of this and this. But I want to tell them to grafted avocados, because grafted avocados give you better earnings. That is the future. It has been there. My the turikopetere no kereta yeri yokogoro yeri we could change. Wono kugoro ko kwelire abantu baminto. So let us turn to grafted avocados. That is the solution, and you can tell me in the next 5 years bali bauchikongiwera. Just do it. No nje na chakire project you make a grafted avocados. Yes.
Tetocha sora rasa na kato kuchikoriga gukora enkwane ga yaito kera basabaga ndo kuirobiria tikango kwandre na endo chegaiga ngaki kuirobiri na siasa ase kero kurigeria abameri bago siasa choro ngora usinensi ya Kenya mrengo kiwu ya associate nor ase boniga
njenge tukikana se mate siasa ne ya kero muntu na siasa una na nyachakire ndege to face the reality as a ground. Mweso kwana neso kiri goja somo gusi go somo cha mo west mo grango nyamira ngekeri ko bateina nebuwe nimbwa de chinguru cyoko bakonya cyoko bakorere gas esenge nchu igo mbwa to kugani kule na igo ndete ko be monta yao so that esebwe bintu byao senge njo bintu byao mbiro bya biri bibo saliwa nande bya biri biko kachwa one round yeye igo ndete ko be monta yaino igo ingo te yomo gusi uri ontegereto na ndo ngojeti mba masa wancha ikeruye gesire bosa esenge njegero bakoligereri kero bakoli go mungwano ligeti nae mai nduge yakoli actually is giving out of fake promises like now ntu alenga matanga ya rangenyo. I was one of there ona alenge as a competitors bali bonse pia tete na tena goja nadinga iriri bagali endelio guhetetea uno mosai lakini rende the only thing to arojena igao kwana tagokora bitumbi atokorei onye ndiria atokoreire bintu tango no es chiraits street ngwe kuturi tango no na se to kwenda twakorera participation motivations chiavasai tango to bwata sto korera etakorera diki taratwa wone nerenga kiengia yo kuligereri yo take your time anyene kura bwate kura yawo na rego choro mugambi na
karoba bwatire kura bago chore nkiama kiwa chore
nje kiama kiane igondese upa moma ete igora ali no mwana oito Fred Matiang'i nera toko support igo kitogo itabata na igora ali mosalia igora ali moma Fred Matiang'i okongo nera bieka
no registered kama kopa
mbono nkonya gwecokia mbono ngonya kumanyekana ni mbwate murugeri bwo register kiama wangoiga ko bande registered yeah
ikono ro asensemeria yo kwamire serikali tigato cha sore na bogotumanya na nga kikwiro beri siasa ikiganga kiro cyo kikogenda murengo giore
siasa yo maite ego change bune mbra ona siasa yo maite ro sanginora manginora lakini what have not changed kare mangana kiama ikeneke it's my principles.
Yeah.
I'm going to work with people that have Kenya at heart. Mondo tari go to enrich themselves to protect what they've stolen from the public covers.
Yeah.
Those are the kind of people that I'm going to work with. I won't say authoritatively na tinjeninde se chame. No. I'm an open-minded Kenyan, sober-minded. Nganyete kiama kelige ko make sense, and if there is none that is making sense to me according to inche and my standards and my principles, maite okichama ngere ko kuna independent kina kero kingero. So it gives us that is the importance of say the sweetness of democracy. One engineer ondali, I'm also weighing my options, which is the best candidate for Kenya. Let us form those coalitions will come.
Yeah.
Na bor montara ache ubugete no umija aenda ungane ne monto uli kwanga ta ke sangi nani no na yule gochi iko bono mane siasa nani baba teva yebeka se
tu mejua tabeka uyanga
siasa ye no boche to jaga kura mapema kora akiri to minyoka wana ngo sangiri chumbe lilia west no wale sasa serikali imeo titaito kama engombe yange pi osangi nani no wale na mwana ito matianga wana siasa no poche. So yeah, and they say a good dancer knows when to leave the stage.
Yeah.
So all I will say is I'm weighing the options, which is the best way who I can work with, who I may not work with, but it's an open play. I'm welcoming all the parties, but the abantu baito bagusi. Here's my critical call again. Kaki bwate kura namba ya kabere korokwa bwate kure ensure ikeroge koro kuno mu MCA ekiaka kugotumia bongo kirogi ya kabere mujumbe tumia bongo kirogi ya gatatu mo governor tumia bongo kirogi ya kane president kera that is now the whole nation. So these four positions affect you. Mo president can make policies kera he can sway the parliament. Arose policies which will affect our nation. That is why there was mandamano. Mo governor receives a lot of money. Healthcare is devolved. Onyoro mo governor litutu, mo governor oraire. Timaiti yo itu sana raire sana abali na raire. Wono isa konyoro mo governor buno. You see the nation is going to work. Also your account is not going to work. Kere county yagetara work means Kenya is going down. Kero giaga tatu na bate mujumbe. Mujumbe una bako ira laws to the parliament.
Yeah.
Na uba make these laws. Na babarende bago push kunya bainge remote. Lakini rende they are the ones who promote these or also they sponsor these bills to become laws. Kirogio mweli ikikoro kuna mu MCA. Mu MCA nero korosi machikali for instance kebirike chiro. Alionsi yako govern anything Nyamira. They are the ones who make land laws for the county. Now these land laws are very important. With the succession that happens in these counties of land. And maite una meremere bwate mechande meng. That is why namata imoira abantu basomete no ne kirogio mu MCA. It's not a small seat. It's a seat that governs billions. Kera these counties get billions. Ikobono nte yoiro monto tama it what is a billion. Jago mata irike budget ya 300 billion. You shall be confusing these people. What we need to do, encourage these people to read. No, Roger. That is the best thing. Kera this nation needs wise people. And wiseness comes from education. Of course kuna wale walizaliwa na akili zao lakini kindly Mungu siendo kwabeta those 4 seats, especially the 4 seats. More women rep is not there, no there, no more senator, you see. That is the truth of the matter. But those 4 positions really determine your lives, go say, so kindly, nyerigereri.
Aso gukora tiga tukore na turachase arasa ase obwango na bukurwe enkwane yako yo mwerio yo kubasemia basaye na boigo abananchi bago ba bunyamatuta kero tugusieke enkwane tukubara.
Bien. To my fellow youth, wasaba saibonse bagusi, I want to batevim biamono for so far you have shown a lot of interest in the leadership of this nation. Na nenda itemba batevim biamono saying njebano na ni mwachake correct people na the people you want to chikura cha menta kanire to the people of Manyamatuta nero mwano ino ningenda kunya kubarwanirira wata chikura ende chikura cheito nande madani nganyita my competitors chikibesa chino mudaito kopeka kando chi campaign abantu ngoli pale ngotosera muri busa mwangwanja mungaje chibesa ichi kerekero yigene kiabincha muje na ino mungakire chikura ndiye mono nyasaba sasa
nturi na sara saso bwango nabukuru nkwana yawe moira sapa sai nabigo abananchi bagorengete kora West Mugrango
Nigeria bageri nare koira kuchia se West Mugrango kubate i ono chinga kina chechi ono tuweso kiri bijane abange nande moma ete bijane binge etubwate slogan yemo erango echine yemo tubwate especially ase kroeke kiyobo chumbe moma ete ekere one time ge slogan itubwata saba sayaba the only thing turachamo noko unite totevani kero twatevanire ndusugumo yo mogo chigosio igo bono egintu gyoka njena ire libageri ase bali bantegerete tiga twabantu perure otokorerega siribaga batokorera senjirengia eraundi teme bichana ndoje biasogeti bia tiga tora batema na baro tiga tora babura na baro tora na ki baro na kiba ba direct ase account especially ase chi wardage na kiba ko direct na kiba roba kola chigasi eker tu abaire chi chance ejo esengenje twarire mono nege nteke ne kiagere tu esokire nduri konyo no ema baga no na yo wetetea bono nere a good time yo wetetea bono ngakierigera ike 2027 ndotebania ekene askere my arch nerina mo make sure mwabwatire chikura kachekura yago nayo maito mugambi ugo norori kito tiga tuoni chisera chito bia nduri kora monde nduri goitonde ikina kiege ndeke nare ko chikubatigera so tukobo nasa naendere kubasase no tole ground otamba so kuoni chisera chito
ndiye mano Ezekia Harasa ase ogoika ase chi studio na bigo tukugandira maya se sabari yago faxa da bencha naimbi muna se chinga kichago tukugandira maya ase mirubiri koriye kora abananchi ase ensemo mokorwa nayo mwanchu murigeria tobate bambia muna sobosanga na into ase nkwana ite abeno botukobwarero no sabuito nga wesemire na bigo mosae andonsi obwatere tumurubirio banyare koboka konyora engana ya gaso mwere bagate banga hubara yobia na bogo konya ense yegendere chinkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi no tugiko mweri asebono Brian Chaka nero linge magayechi kamera Felix Askabendi na Barnabas Ondadi baine kamera wine chibicha ngochara senchire ringia kwikachinga kichinde nyasaye kawanja asebono twaro butkobia na bigo gendera kwego kene mirubirio gendere ta sembeo ya Nsoko TV.